Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling the mirrors folding when you lock the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Having the mirrors fold in when you lock the car is a great feature to protect the mirrors from damage, but also so you can see if your car is locked from far away. You can enable or disable this feature in the settings. Follow the steps to learn how to do it. Tap the car button to the right of the infotainment system screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the page. Scroll down the settings and tap Mirrors and Wipers. Under the Mirrors heading, tap Fold in when locking vehicle. When there is a check in the checkbox to the right, the mirrors will fold in when you lock your car. If there is no check in the checkbox, the mirrors won't fold in when you lock the car. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.